Well, here's the aftermath to the live I was just on. I found the receipt and I'm an idiot. Everything that was going on, I could have swore I told them left-hand side because it says right hand on the slip. So, I mean, the only good thing about it is that the bushing on this is good on the bottom, and the bushing on the other side of this car looks just like this one. It's all fucked up just like that one. And I was happy when I saw that those bushings were good, but now it doesn't even fit on that side of the car. It's for the other side. So I can keep it and I can put it on the other side of the car because it can use it, but that is not gonna fly. These people don't open until Monday. Monday. Yep, so that's the conclusion to the live stream. So this thing is going to be stuck here like this for a little while. And I'm going to clean up my shit. And yeah. Cool. Great. At least I can see my car. I'm going to put my shit away and I'm going to shovel a path into the garage. See what my shit looks like inside the garage. See the next one.